Welcome to Tulsa Welding School, Atlanta Metro Campus, located right here in beautiful Decatur, Georgia. I'm Tamika Morris, I'm your campus president, and today we're going to take you on a tour into our facilities where you'll have an opportunity to see where our students are learning hands-on skills in HVAC, electrical, and welding. From our student support teams to our modernized training facilities, you'll have an opportunity to see where our students are learning hands-on skills in the skilled trades. Come on in, let's take a look. Your journey starts right here in our administrative offices, where you'll have an opportunity to meet with the first set of individuals who will help you take that first step in your career journey. Starting with our admissions team, they'll be available for you to answer any questions that you may have about our many training programs, and they'll help you align on what program best fits your future career goals. Come on in, let me tell you a little bit more about our student services team. Our Student Services team is here on campus as a dedicated department here to assist you with navigating all of the additional resources that you may need throughout your entire life cycle here at the Atlanta campus. They can assist with childcare, transportation, housing, whatever it may be. Please come in and see us. You'll also have an opportunity to speak with our Student Financial Services department. This is where they'll assist you through the process of figuring out how are you going to fund college. For those who qualify, we'll have grants, loans, scholarships, all of the above. Just come in and speak with us. And when it's time to start thinking about the end goal, the reason why you guys all enroll, career services. We have a dedicated team readily available to assist you with resumes, interviewing, job readiness, and putting you in front of real-time employers that's ready to hire. From your first conversation to your next career move, the administrative support team here at the Atlanta campus is ready for you. Come on in and check us out. Before we head into the labs, let's talk about something that every student receives as part of their enrollment at Tulsa Welding School, the Gear Kit. The Gear Kit is a toolkit that provides you with all of the tools necessary and safety equipment to ensure that you are prepared to begin your hands-on training. Here's the best part. The Gear Kit is yours to keep. That means after graduation, you hold on to all of the tools that you use while you were in the classes to get you started in your first career. Now, let's go check out the labs where all the magic happens, hands-on training. You are now in our HVAC and refrigeration labs. Students in our refrigeration technology programs focus on all of the systems that keep our residences, businesses, and industries running. Students get hands-on exposure to HVAC and refrigeration equipment while building the electrical and mechanical knowledge needed to work with these systems. From residential comfort systems to commercial refrigeration and troubleshooting, this lab is designed to help students connect classroom concepts with real-world equipment and service scenarios. We're now inside of our welding lab, where our students will learn hands-on training in our 7-month welding specialist program. This is where our students learn different disciplines in welding to include MIG, TIG, stick, as well as flux core, giving you the discipline and the confidence to be readily available for entry-level work into the welding field. This is where you start building the skills, discipline, and confidence it takes to work in areas like structural welding, fabrication, pipeline welding, aircraft, shipbuilding, and more. For many students, this is where the career that they've been thinking about starts to feel real. And finally, build the skills used in modern residential and commercial electrical environments in our electrical technologies lab. Students start by building a foundation in electrical concepts and safety, then move into hands-on training inside our residential lab. From there, training expands into commercial applications where students can work with larger scale systems and get exposure to the type of electrical work used in buildings, job sites, and commercial facilities. From in-home wiring to emerging energy technologies, this lab gives students a hands-on look at all of the systems that keeps the world powered. Every tool, every skill, every program that you had an opportunity to see today is designed to help you build the skills that employers need. Come on now and enroll in Tulsa Welding School, when you can see what happens when you invest in yourself and you invest in your future. The skilled trades is not just a job, it's an opportunity to build something real and to build on the skills of something that you can be proud of. Welcome to Tulsa Welding School. We're ready for you.